How to choose and install a rooftop cargo box on Toyota Highlander. Choosing and installing a rooftop cargo box on your Toyota Highlander is easier than you might think. With a little guidance and the right tools, you'll have a functional and stylish addition to your vehicle in no time. First, you'll need to choose the right rooftop cargo box for your Toyota Highlander. Consider the size and shape that you need, as well as the weight capacity. Think about what you'll be using the cargo box for, whether it's camping gear, skis and snowboards, or just extra storage for road trips. There are plenty of options to choose from, so take your time and find the one that best suits your needs. Once you have your rooftop cargo box, it's time to install it on your Toyota Highlander. Make sure you have all the necessary tools and instructions handy. Start by familiarizing yourself with the cargo box and the mounting system it comes with. Depending on the model you choose, you may need to adjust or remove any existing roof racks or crossbars. Next, position the cargo box on the roof of your Toyota Highlander. Take care to align it properly and ensure that it is sitting securely. Follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer to attach the cargo box to your roof. This may involve tightening bolts or using specific clamps or brackets. After the cargo box is attached, give it a good shake to make sure it's secure. You don't want it coming loose while you're driving. Double-check that all screws and brackets are tightened properly. It's also a good idea to test out the opening and closing mechanisms to make sure they work smoothly. With your rooftop cargo box properly installed, you're ready to hit the road and enjoy the benefits it brings. Whether you're off on a family vacation or just need some extra storage space, your cargo box will make traveling easier and more convenient. Remember, safety is key when using a rooftop cargo box. Always load your items evenly and secure them with tie-downs or straps. Take caution when driving under low clearance areas, as the cargo box will increase the height of your vehicle. And always check the weight limit of your cargo box to avoid overloading. So go ahead, choose and install a rooftop cargo box on your Toyota Highlander. It's a practical and stylish addition that will open up a world of possibilities for your adventures.